Good morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. Very quick video this morning. I'm just going to show you how I deal with this sort of an issue. So I've removed all of the kitchen cabinets from this wall and I'm just getting ready to prepare for some skimming actually. Now there are loads of these plugs where screws to secure the cabinets. So basically what you do with them, one thing you can do for sure, you can just pull them out, but for a start you've actually got to grip the things. Now when you try and pull them out, so for example if you drill a screw in there and then pull a screw out, it just creates more unnecessary damage. So I'm just going to quickly show you what I do. Let's say very, very quick video. So all you need then is a hammer and a nail with quite a large head like that. So a clout nail, something like that, okay. And all I'm going to do basically just hold the shaft of the nail and the head of the nail I'm going to push up against the plug. Just knock it back a few mil. The fact is, that plug is going to, it's filling a gap anyway, so why take it out and make an even bigger gap and create more work? It's not necessary. So that's all I'll do folks, and we've got loads of them here, look, so I'm just going to go along now and just knock all of these back. So to fill these holes in then I've just got some more bonding look and it's quite a stiff mix. I'm just going to start filling those holes, just pushing it in. Now, I would use bonding in a situation like this because I'm going to skim over it, but something like this won't give you the... So for example you weren't doing any further plastering work, then you'd be better off using a normal filler because this will not give you the smooth finish you're looking for. And also, you can't really sand it down